Bunot na yung fried chicken. Ako, bawal ako sa fried chicken eh. Hindi ako maingit.
So when you ask me if I'm gonna stay, I'm promising you I will. Cause there's one thing.
Wait lang guys, pasa lang ako. Magban lang ako.
Please ban a hero. Your team is banning.
Talong pa ako. Ano ba ang talong, sir?
Please pick a hero.
I will.
Ay, sorry, Mr. Pool. Akala ko din Laxus. Number. 985. 917. Meron mo yun ah. Ano yung J? Set. Okay na. Sige po.
Ocean is not just our
Sir, sorry. Akala ko ikaw na yung Laxus.
it's who we are.
Sorry. Flex nga pala. Sorry. Yes, nakita agad. Sorry talaga. Hello po, welcome sa mga viewer natin.
I've been waiting for too long.
Mag-like lang kayo habang nagantay. Ano? Meron. Wait. Kailangan ako next. Sige po. Ayan, ano pala. Si Ian Kiss pala yung may kasalanan. Okay lang yan. Marami pa naman tayong game. Isang malaking shoutout po para kay Nayer Bass. Busy kumain.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! Request backup! All troops deployed!
Palit ka na lang daw kay Kurochi mamaya, sir. Mr. Paul.
The ocean
Bawal maligo ngayon.
is who we are.
Yung mga sinundan ng aso, baka mamaya si Ato ka.
Feel the surge of the oceans.
Yun, na-taken na agad oh. Ayaw, taken mo, Brad.
backup.
Resting at the bottom of the sea are cold bodies of the
Slain. Enemy has been slain.
Gather up the turtle!
Ult is not ready.
I can see the ocean or your desire.
An enemy has been slain. Attack the Lord. Battle spell is ready. An ally has slain the turtle. Okay. Battle spell in cooldown.
Tides
Pwede
rise.
may live yan. Yung
This is the way.
ang marami na ganyan tapos may mga nagiging.
Killing spree. Enemy is not ready. Attack. Initiate retreat.
Resting at the bottom of the sea are cold bodies of the greedy.
Coming. Wait for me. Launch attack.
Don't stick your nose where it doesn't
Ah, ang ano, mali.
Initiate retreat.
just our home. It is who we are.
Ult is ready.
Time to change my northern
Launch
veil.
attack. Request backup. Double kill.
Ganda ng pasok na rin doon ah.
Rat fills the faces of all
Attack the Lord.
drowning.
Request backup.
Hindi ko pala na-click yung ano.
Ult is not ready.
Salamat po, Mr. Paul. Makachamba lang.
Request backup. You have slain an enemy. Battle spell in cooldown.
The ocean is not
Launch
just
attack.
it is
Initiate retreat. Unstoppable.
don't stick your nose where it doesn't belong. Ask the sea for mercy. I can't see
Slain.
or your desire.
Masarap talaga ako, ay, yung set ko.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Ako mukhang negative yun ah. Negative ka lang. Sabihan ko muna sila mag-stay.
Already. Slain. Battle spell.
Sayang.
Is the faces of all drowning men.
An enemy has been slain.
The ocean is not just our home. It is
Our turret has launched attack.
Sayang.
Killing spree.
return.
Okay lang, may napatay.
Under attack.
Sayang, no? Walang kasama yung kanina.
An ally back the turtle.
Abusado tong gato to. May pangarap.
Resting at the bottom of the sea are cold
Ult is ready.
bodies of the
Launch attack. Request backup. Launch attack. Our turret has been destroyed. Your team destroyed a turret. Our turret is under
Lang,
attack.
mas malapad to.
Our turret has been destroyed. Enemy ult is not ready. Request backup. Request backup.
the surge
Your
of
team
the ocean.
destroyed a request backup. Initiate retreat. Not ready.
The sea, no mercy.
Okay lang. Kain po tayo. Sige po, Raya Plus. Enjoy lang. Subuhan mo na ako mamaya. Uy, salamat.
Team destroyed a
Grabe
turret.
naman sa Raya Plus.
Ult is
Grabe
ready.
lang ka naman, boss.
Attack the Lord.
Salamat, salamat.
Ult is not ready.
Tides rise, tides
Oo nga, miracle set.
This is the way.
Oh, meron akong bigat.
Gather at the Lord. Attack the Lord.
Eh, so yung ano nila.
More your desire.
Okay. Tapos. Ano yan? Okay. MM tayo, syempre. Kala nung MM o ka-PH eh.
Initiate retreat.
Wala, MM ang target ka eh. Hi, Dati. Hi, Dati. Musta? Sige, Dati ah. Yung natin ang dati sa Virgil.
Battle spell is ready.
Yes. Mukhang ano ka na dyan ha, supervisor ka na sa Virgil ha.
Don't stick your nose where it doesn't belong.
Salamat sa pag-ibig, Sir Ray, no? Sana ako talaga.
Ally has been slain.
Uy, may pauwi. Tara!
Attack.
Tara! Barat! Sayang.
Has been slain.
Nakita ko. Wala akong trigger eh. Saan siya nagita?
Battle spell in cooldown. Request backup.
Bak na, wala tayong kasama.
Your team destroyed a turret. Sorry. Enemy rampage.
Magandang gabi din po, Jericho.
Don't
Okay naman po tayo dito nung naglalaro lang tayo.
doesn't belong.
Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat. Our turret is under attack.
This is the way.
Wag, tangyan.
Initiate retreat. Been destroyed.
Baba.
Initiate retreat. Return.
Resting in the blood
Battle
of
spell
the
and cooldown. Ult is not ready.
bodies of the green jungle.
Battle spell and cooldown. Launch attack.
The ocean is not just our home. It is who we are.
Initiate retreat.
The sea
Slain. An enemy has been slain. Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed.
Huwag naman tayo po, ano.
Has been destroyed.
Ba't inabot pa kasi?
Gather on the
Launch attack. Wait for me. An ally has slain Lord.
The ocean is not just our
Request backup.
It
Coming.
is
Wait for
who
me.
we are.
Yes po. Meron mo sa baba.
Request backup.
Baba.
Request backup. Initiate retreat.
I can't see through the ocean, nor your desire.
Launch attack.
Ask the sea for mercy.
Makunat ka. Makunat kayo.
Double kill.
Ah.
Launch attack.
Don't stick your nose where it doesn't
Your
belong.
team destroyed a turret. An enemy has been slain. Mega kill.
Alright. Panalo naman tayo, no?
Victory.
Eh, Mr. Paul, sige, at mo ko. Follow back mo ko. I-add na ito. MVP! Di ba na kayo MVP?
And there's no one I'd rather be. You can sit around and wait and see. For a moment I'll be standing free. So hurry up and
Eh, nagparaya na siguro, Chichi.
Got a bag of chips by the sea.
Flex.
The sun is blazing down. I've got my smile now. Here's the thing. Your chips will really make me sing. Come on,
Gusto ko sana
relax
maglaro
and
ka
have
naman.
some chips for me.
CMCD.
Lay back and
Ay, wait.
where I wanna be. We've got time to take it easy. You always tell me to speed up, but slow down. I've been kicking my feet up and just going to town. A bag of chips in hand. I got nothing planned, yeah. Good treats by the sand. You know I wanna chow down. Oh yeah. So when you ask me if I'm said, I got just one thing I'm telling you. Come on, relax and have some chips with me. Chill out, lay back, I'm right where I wanna be.
Yo, makakasali na si Tex, no?
Time to take it easy. A little R&R.
Bakit ang nabigay sa karate?
Gonna turn my brain off.
Sige lang, Benz, walang problema. Sanay naman ako.
Just the way I should.
Nice game, bossing. Nice game nga yan, Chris. Maya ulit. Mag-open line out tayo.